Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from Car Wow. So I'm sitting in a Ferrari SF90 Stradale and I'm going to have a drag race against the new Rimac Nevera. Can you believe it? Now I've come to a runway in Croatia, brought this car along because they're making some bold claims about that car, but before I talk you through the details on that, I'm going to tell you about this Ferrari because it's pretty impressive. So we've got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, it's mid-mounted, but you've also got a bunch of electric motors. Combined, you get 1,000 horsepower. That's nuts! Also, you've got electric motors on the front axle, so you've got 4-wheel drive. It's going to be quick, this car. I know it is. Is it going to be quicker than that Rimac? We're going to find out. Another thing you need to know about this car is that it weighs in at just under 1,800 kilos. Price-wise, £376,000. Anyway, let's find out about that Rimac from the guy who built it. It's Matty Rimac from Rimac.
Hey Matty, how are you?
Good, Matt. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
So I've heard that you're claiming that that car you're sat in, your new Nevera,
Is the quickest accelerating production car in the world. Is that right?
Well, Matt, I'm not claiming anything. Let's see.
Before we race though, I'd like to know the stats on your car. You should know them, right?
Yeah, I know one or two. So 1,900 horsepower, 4 electric motors, 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack, 2,360 newton meters of torque, and lots of power on the wheels.
Yeah, I think you've said that before. That's like the quickest run out of stats that I've ever heard anyone give. Anyway, what we're going to do is just quickly put up a little slate now so you can have a look at the stats side by side for these cars. So pause the video now. There you go. Let's get on with the race. Now before we do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Also, why don't you follow me on Instagram, Matt Watson Cars. Anyway, let's do this because it's going to be nuts. I know this car's going to be quick, but how quick is that Rimac going to be?
Buying a new car? Then head to Car Wow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Car Wow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Now before we get on with the drag race, we've got to do the customary Car Wow sound check. So I'm going to rev up this Ferrari. Let's have some twin turbo V8 noise. Oh, that revs so smoothly. Look at that. Matty, can you rev up your car?
I could burn front or rear tires independently, or all 4 of them if you like, but maybe not now, after the drag races maybe.
So let's cut to some sounds that that car might make. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's race. Right, before we go, I just want to ask one question. Like with this Ferrari, I've got to put it into launch and I've got like about 5 seconds to then engage the launch control action with the right foot planted and the revs building. If I don't time it right, I could fluff the start.
have you got some kind of weird procedure that you need to go through in that Rimac?
Just hold the brake, throttle as long as you wish, release the brake, that's it, off you go.
Okay, so you got the easy job, I've got the hard job.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
Right, so I'm ready.
3, 2.
Oh. What? I mean, this is nuts! Oh. I mean, I didn't get a great launch. So, Matty, my launch wasn't great, and then I started to go backwards.
We can do it again if you like.
I definitely want to go again because I think I might be able to do a bit better.
Okay, I want to see you do better.
Are you taking the piss out of my Midlands accent?
You can do the same with me with my Croatian accent.
I can't do a Croatian accent. Maybe I'll learn one. I wasn't really with it on the launch. I was noticed his hands going up and then I had to do the launch procedure. I did it in time, but I'm going to be focused this time. Focus, focus, focus.
3, 2, 1.
Smash him off the line. That's a better start. What? What again? It's never been so much fun getting so badly beaten. Whoa. I had a good launch there. It was pretty blooming good. I still think I beat you off the line. Should we just talk about reaction times rather than the overall result? So did you like the way I beat you off the line?
You spanked me. Bravo.
one more go. Just one.
I think I might be able to do a bit better.
Absolutely, let's do it.
He doesn't seem to care. I reckon if I'm going to stand any chance, I need to cheat really badly.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, got him. And it's a good launch. Come on. No, no. What the actual fuck? Right, I'm bored of this.
I want to switch cars.
Can I drive your car?
Matt, I'm bored of winning as well. Please take the car.
Yes, I'm going to drive it. I want to drive it. I want to see what happens. I want to see what it feels like. I've now jumped into the Rimac Nevera. Matty isn't driving the Ferrari. It's political reasons because he does work for lots of different manufacturers. So instead, I've got him to start the race. So this is fun. Let's see what happens. I want to feel this. I can't wait to just see what the acceleration is like. And it's much easier to launch than the Ferrari, apparently. I can have it in any mode. And as long as I put my left foot on the brake, floor the throttle, it'll know I want to launch. And it's just, yeah, simple. So let's see if I can do a good job.
3,
Now I'm ready to launch.
2, 1.
Smashed him. Oh yes! Oh my! Where's the Ferrari? I imagine that's what it feels like to be shot out the barrel of a gun. It's just insane. There was a Ferrari in that race. It got beaten quite badly.
So, how is it?
You know, your car's really slow, and it just did.
You fell asleep.
Yeah, it only did the quarter mile in 8.6.
Oh.
It's a bit.
Really? You measured 8.6? There you have a world record for a production car. Congratulations, Matt. We'll have beer tonight.
I just broke a world record.
Actually, you did.
Actually, I didn't. The car did.
Really? 8.6?
8.6.
Wow. We thought we will achieve that on a prepped surface. We achieved like 8.7 so far. So with you now, you actually got the best time so far.
Oh, that's wicked.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Rimac did the standing quarter mile in 8.62 seconds, which, as Matty said, is a world record for a road car, albeit an unofficial world record. The Ferrari, meanwhile, took 10 seconds to do the standing quarter mile. However, the best time I had out of the Ferrari was in the second race, where it did a 9.6 second quarter mile, which is still very impressive.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 kilometers an hour. We've got the cars in their sports settings. Ferrari's in manual mode. It'll be in second gear. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. That's even madder than the launch. I let him go a bit just because I could, but that is just crazy. Here he is now, here he is. No, you don't. Oh, you could be a real nightmare with this car. Gordon, what happened to you, mate? I'll actually let you go a little bit ahead of me just on purpose. Did you like fluff a gear change or something?
No, really, no slips, everything full attack, qualifying mode. Nothing else happened and lack of power.
What, like 1,000 horsepower is not enough. Well, it's not today, is it? Let's be honest. Okay, so Gordon, when you want to, you can accelerate. Go accelerate as hard as you can towards the tent. Whenever you're ready, just go accelerate. Watch this. I mean, this is just what it's about. It's irrelevant. It's irrelevant. That was crazy right there. Yeah, you lost again, Gordon. Gordon, what are you doing?
You're playing here with me, I think.
Yeah, it's so much fun as well. Sorry. You did a good job. Thank you for coming. Now we're going to have a brake test from 120 kilometers an hour. When we reach the cones, full emergency stop. See which car stops in the shortest distance. There we go, we're up to speed now. So here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. What? Really? I'm gonna have to get out because I'm not sure about this. It's so close. I think I might have a longer bonnet than you, so I may have just lost, but it's close. Oh yeah, look at them doors. These doors are nice. Okay, Right, this is serious. No way, look, seriously, look at this. This is just the saddest walk I've ever done in my life. But it's a walk to victory.
I lost again.
You lost. Yes. I can't believe that. Can't believe that. Yeah, I do like those doors. Well, there we go. Surprised. I thought my bonnet was longer than his. Turns out it's not. I did beat him. Wow, this thing, insane. Utterly insane. And as ever, please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Wow. If you'd like to find out more about the Rimac Nevera, click on that video window there, because I've done an exclusive walk round of the car with its creator, Matt Rimac, for my own personal channel, Matt Watson Car, so go check that out. Actually, in that video, Matt gives me a very strange gift. You're going to find out what it is. It is bizarre. Just click on the window there. Now, if you click there, you can check out the CarWow Drag Race leaderboard to see just how well the Rimac did compared to all the other cars we've drag raced. And as ever, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.